everyone, this is the 1/400 scale diecast Gemini Jets Air Canada Airbus A320-211. This model is produced by Gemini Jets in 2003, with the aircraft sporting the Toronto Raptors special livery, which existed from 1995 to 1999. The aircraft was powered by two CFM International CFM56 high bypass turbofans, producing up to 25,000 pounds force or 111 kilonewtons combined. Each aircraft can hold up to 186 passengers in a single class configuration. This aircraft has a cruise speed of 447 knots or 829 kilometers an hour, with a range of 3,300 nautical miles or just over 6,000 kilometers. This A320-211 was originally delivered to Air Canada in November of 1990. The aircraft initially sported Air Canada's 1980s era twin red stripe livery and was given the registration of C-FDSN. The aircraft would be with Air Canada until 2020. This aircraft gained the NBA Toronto Raptors special livery in late 1995 and would wear this livery until late 1999. After this, the aircraft would be painted with Air Canada's late 1980s era livery of a white fuselage, black tail, and a red maple leaf. Around the turn of the year, between 2004 and 2005, the aircraft would receive another new livery as it was repainted with the current, as of 2023, livery of a white fuselage and a green dotted tail with a detailed red maple leaf, otherwise known as the frosted leaf livery. The aircraft would end its career so far with this livery. In 2020, the aircraft was initially stored at Kansas City International Airport and then later moved that same year to be stored at Greenwood-LaFleur Airport, where according to our records, it continues to sit today in 2023. Please let your friends and family who collect know about our channel and spread the word. And as always, thank you and like and subscribe. If you like our videos, please check out the link seen here, pointed out by my marine pachyderm friends, and as well as a link to my channel. Thank you and good day.